In this video, we're talking blue jeans. I find that so many people, when they go shopping for blue jeans, spend so much time analyzing the fit of the jean, the style of the jean, perhaps deeper value versus lighter value colors, etc. But what about aligning your blue jean color choices with you? In this video, I'm going to help you do just that. Stay tuned. I'm Carol Brailey of carolbrailey.com. Perhaps autumn has arrived where you are. It has arrived where I am, and I've started transitioning out of my gorgeous summer dresses into more cozy blue jeans, etc. And I thought it would be timely to produce a video sharing with you some color considerations that I take into account when I shop for my own blue jeans, and also help my clients shop for jeans, because I believe you should be wearing colors that are in harmony with you from head to toe. When prepping to create this video, I even put on my own jeans and made sure I'm in jeans today. Ripped jeans are all the rage right now, so I put on my ripped jeans. Many people, even my own clients, when they first meet me, think that wearing your best colors around your face is best, and yes, it is best, but don't ever consider wearing their best colors from head to toe. And my advice to you is to think through sort of putting 10 apples in a row and throwing an orange in the middle. Where does your eye tend to look? It looks at the orange because it's out of harmony color-wise with the apples. And that's what happens when you choose to wear colors on your body that are out of harmony with you. So we lose focus on looking at you. So let's walk through a situation. Let's say you know your color analysis results and you decide to wear your best colors from sort of waist up. Well, yes, it does add a sparkle to your face, etc. But what it does do, if you choose to wear colors, say, from your waist down that aren't in harmony with you, is people's eyes will tend to look at the bottom half of you, because what you're wearing on the top half is in harmony with you, in harmony, and then on the bottom half it's out of harmony. It's just like the orange, everybody is going to look at the bottom half of you, which can make you appear shorter if that's something you care about, can perhaps make you appear wider because a lot of focus and attention will be on the bottom half of you. And this is a big deal, particularly if you're, say, giving a presentation or taking important photos of yourself, say for branding materials, etc. People will be looking at the bottom half of you if you're choosing to wear colors out of harmony with what you're wearing on the top half and out of harmony with you. And therefore, people won't be focusing on you, which is the objective of harmonizing colors with you, is to add sparkle to your look, but also add this glow so that people look at you and are focused on you and what you're saying in a presentation, what you're trying to sell in some cases, etc. So this video is all about blue jeans. I have a lot to say around wearing your best colors head to toe, and we'll likely cover that off in other videos, but let's refocus on blue jeans. So just like I just said, I believe you should be wearing your best colors head to toe, and blue jeans are on the bottom half of you, and that's why I went into that detail about wearing your best colors head to toe. So let's go into considerations now when choosing your blue jeans. The first thing that I look at, and it's a quick eliminator I find, is the stitching on the jeans. So if you only know whether you lean cool or warm, so warm here, cool sort of on this side, You would want, if you're on the warm side of things, perhaps more of a warm brown stitching. And if you're on the cool side of things, perhaps you want a cool gray stitching, that sort of thing. So try to align the stitching with the cool and warm components of you. If you know your actual seasonal color palette, I say take your color reference with you and try to match the stitching of the jean to a color in your reference. Another quick eliminator is the zippers. So if you're on the cool side of things, you'd want a silver zipper. If you're on the warm side of things, you'd want a gold zipper. And if you know your seasonal color analysis results, it may be a deep gold, light gold, deeper silver coloring versus light silver coloring. So if you know your color analysis results, your color reference should also guide you on the specifics around the value of the metal that you're choosing for a zipper. In the case of ripped jeans, which are all the rage these days, if there is detail within those rips, so the jeans I'm wearing today have fabric sewn in some of the rips, you'll want to make sure that detail also is in harmony with your seasonal color palette, and just use your color reference to guide you on that. Another component that you might want to consider is the detail on the waist. So there might be zipper detail there, or perhaps in some cases there's fading detail on the jean, etc. You'll want to make sure that detail is in harmony with you, particularly around the waist or the hip of the jean, because the wrong color detail could actually appear out of harmony with you and visually make you appear wider. So other considerations around color are, do you choose a deeper colored jean or a light colored jean? You know, deeper colors tend to contract, lighter colors tend to expand. So that's truly up to you and how you want to style your body shape. I will add that the fact that choosing a deeper value jean on the bottom and pairing it with a lighter top might not be so thinning either if you're going for that sort of look, because what that does is expand the top part of you and contract the bottom half of you, and perhaps make your top half seem wider. So, you know, jumping to a deeper value jean might not necessarily be a look for you. It's about balancing the bottom half with the top half, and that all has to do with your body shape, etc. And I cover all that off in my style consultations. For those of you who know your seasonal color analysis results, so meaning the undertone value and intensity of colors that make you sparkle and are shopping with that information for your clothing color choices, I'm gonna have a little bit of a picture montage now in this video, where I hopefully will have several picture examples to guide you further on undertone value and intensity of blue jeans to choose for each seasonal color palette. I can't guarantee I will be able to cover off all the palettes out there, because I am just gonna go online and grab some free stock photos where I can, but hopefully this montage will act as a guide for you to hone in on jean colors that add to your sparkle and personal power. helps you to choose blue jean colors that add to your sparkle.